To replace the mid-cushion on the Rest Easy bifold sofa, first remove loose pillows and any other unsecured items from the sofa. Standing in front of the sofa and facing it, firmly grasp the seat and kickboard assembly. Pull it upward and towards you until it fully unfolds into a flat sleeping platform. There are several ways to access the nuts and bolts that are securing the mid-cushion. For ease of viewing, I'm tipping the couch on its side to better show the process. The bolts they are attached to can slide into the channel, which will allow for the adjustment and positioning of that section. It is recommended to mark the position of the nuts so we can reinstall the cushion in the same position. With a 1/2-inch socket, remove the 4 nuts. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Remove the mid-cushion. Insert the mid-cushion. Align the new panel cushion in the same position as before using the markings. Hand tighten the nuts to avoid cross-threading. Complete the seating using a ratchet to snug the nuts without over-torquing. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Lower the couch back to the ground. To retract the bed, first flip up the back top and make sure that the sleeping surface is clear of any blankets, pillows, or other loose items. Then, lift the foot of the bed and push it towards the headboard until the unit is fully retracted. Once the bed is closed, return the pillows to their original position to restore the sofa seating area.